Do you know that the vinegar you've been spraying everywhere because every cleaning video tells you it's a miracle natural cleaner can actually permanently damage 4 specific surfaces in your home right now? What if this safe and natural ingredient is etching your countertops, dulling your floors, and destroying expensive appliances while you think you're cleaning responsibly? I made this exact mistake and discovered permanent damage on my granite countertop before I learned the truth. Stay with me to the end because this could save your most valuable surfaces. The natural cleaning trend that backfired. Like millions of people, I jumped on the natural cleaning bandwagon. Vinegar everywhere. It's natural, it's cheap, it's effective, or so every cleaning video and blog post insisted. I sprayed vinegar solution on every surface in my home without hesitation. Countertops, floors, appliances, everything. I felt good about avoiding harsh chemicals. I felt like I was making smart, healthy choices for my family. Then one day, I noticed something disturbing on my granite countertop. A dull, etched patch exactly where I'd been spraying my vinegar solution daily. I initially thought it was just dirt or residue, but no amount of cleaning would restore the shine. I'd permanently damaged my granite countertop, the same surface I'd been trying to keep beautiful and clean. I was devastated and confused. Vinegar was supposed to be safe. That's when I started researching and discovered something that completely changed my cleaning approach. Vinegar, despite its reputation, is actually acidic enough to cause serious, irreversible damage to specific common household surfaces. Let me share exactly what I learned before you make the same costly mistake. Before I reveal these 4 surfaces vinegar destroys, if you've been using vinegar as your go-to natural cleaner, hit that like button right now. And if you want to protect your valuable surfaces from hidden damage, subscribe to The Big Sweep and ring the notification bell, because this information is genuinely important. Let's get into it. Surface 1. Natural stone, like granite, marble, and limestone. This is exactly what destroyed my countertop. Natural stone surfaces are calcium-based and highly reactive to acids. Vinegar's acetic acid literally dissolves the calcium carbonate in these stones, creating etching, dullness, and permanent surface damage. Even diluted vinegar used regularly causes cumulative damage that becomes irreversible. For natural stone, use only pH-neutral cleaners specifically formulated for stone, or simply warm water with a drop of dish soap. Surface 2. Hardwood floors. Vinegar's acidity gradually breaks down the protective finish on hardwood floors. While occasional use seems fine, regular vinegar mopping strips away the polyurethane or wax coating that protects wood, leading to dullness, increased vulnerability to water damage, and accelerated aging. Many people notice their hardwood floors looking progressively duller after months of vinegar cleaning, attributing it to normal wear when it's actually chemical damage. Use manufacturer-recommended hardwood cleaners or simple water with minimal soap instead. Surface 3. Cast iron cookware. Vinegar's acidity strips the seasoning layer that makes cast iron cookware non-stick and rust-resistant. This seasoning takes time and effort to build, and vinegar destroys it in single applications, leaving your cookware vulnerable to rust and sticking. I learned this after my cast iron skillet developed rust spots following vinegar cleaning. Use hot water, mild soap, and proper drying for cast iron instead. Surface 4. Egg stains and spills. This one surprised me most. Vinegar actually reacts with egg proteins, causing them to coagulate and bond more firmly to surfaces, making cleanup significantly harder rather than easier. If you spill egg and reach for vinegar thinking it'll help, you're actually making the mess worse. Use cold water and dish soap for egg spills instead, the safer universal alternative. For surfaces where vinegar is risky, warm water with a few drops of dish soap handles most cleaning needs safely. For disinfection without acid risk, isopropyl alcohol works on many surfaces vinegar shouldn't touch. Now you know about 4 surfaces to never clean with vinegar: natural stone, hardwood floors, cast iron cookware, and egg stains on anything. If this just saved your valuable surfaces from permanent damage, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel and ring that bell for more surface safety information. Share with anyone who cleans with vinegar regularly. Comment which surface shocked you most. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, know your surfaces, choose cleaners wisely, and protect what you can't easily replace.